Crane 1, hold position. We need to clear the starboard side. All right, team, steady descent. Watch your clearance on the jig.
We are clear for final approach on the starboard wing. Alignment is green.
Confirmed. Lock it down.
Lower by 5 millimeters. Hold steady.
Alignment is good. Lock it down.
We need to adjust the feed rate for the titanium.
Copy that. Applying the new parameters now.
We have a deviation of 2 millimeters on the starboard side.
Adjusting the jig now. It's within tolerance.
This is the radar altimeter, position 4.
Confirmed. Installing the LRU now.
Make sure the connection seats properly before locking the bracket.
Check the routing on station 42.
Looks clear. We can pull the main harness through now.
We have clearance here, but the alignment is off.
Roger that. Adjusting trajectory now. Lower by 5 centimeters.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down another 2 inches, slightly to the left. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Start the torque sequence.
Roger that. All connections secure.
Lowering now. Alignment check on station 4. Easy on the rotation.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Clear, clear. Bring it down another meter.
Checklist complete. System power up initiated.
Confirming sequence start. All indicators green.
Power level steady at 95%. Acknowledged. Check turbine inlet temperature.
We have a spike in engine temperature on the JF-17.
Adjusting the fuel flow now.
The pressure valve readings here are slightly elevated post-test.
Confirmed. Running a full system diagnostic now. The parameters are normalizing.
Flaps indicators clear.
Clear. Confirmed green on hydraulics.
Roger that. Pressure stable.
Check the alignment on section 3.
Looks within tolerance, but let's verify the hydraulics.
We are clear for final approach on the starboard wing. Alignment is green.
Confirmed. Lock it down.
The sensor calibration on the port side is slightly off nominal.
I show the same deviation on the tablet. Needs adjustment before rollout.
Check the alignment on this panel joint here.
Confirmed. Within tolerance. Making a note now.
Final inspection looks good. We are ready for the handover.
Yes, the client specifications are all met.
Clear the scaffolding from the tail section, slowly.
Roger that. Panels are secured on the ground.
Watch your step, almost done here. Watch the wing, bring it down slowly. All right, steady now. Clear the path on the left.
We need precise measurements on the strut pressure.
Tablet shows green, within limits.
Laser confirms the alignment is perfect.
Ensure the specifications match the schematics precisely here.
I am confirming the measurements now. The readings are within tolerance.
Check the data link module connections.
The log showed an overvoltage. Do we reset the parameters?
Hydraulics are optimal on the main gear.
This aircraft represents a leap forward in technology and craftsmanship. The integrated systems are state-of-the-art.
Chocks away, clear to move.
Roger, ground. Rolling now.
Final check, gear and hydraulics.
All green, pressure nominal. Ground power cycling now, you are clear for engine start. We have an irregularity on the hydraulic sensor.
Running diagnostics now. Looks stable after the cycle.
All right, confirm green status across the board. Run the hydraulics check on the main gear assembly.
Confirmed. Pressure is stabilizing. Everything looks good here.
Chocks removed. Clear for taxi, runway heading 270. Good hunting.
Check the starboard landing gear now.
Roger that. Confirming pressure levels are stable. We are clear for continued taxi.
Tower, this is Viper 1. Takeoff simulation commencing.
Roger. Viper 1, cleared for simulated departure on runway heading.
We're holding max power, all parameters green. Okay, initiating shutdown sequence now.